Hello students, as I discussed in the last class that we will be having two more videos on endocrine system. This is the fifth video I am sharing with you all. We are going to study about thyroid gland today. So when we talk about thyroid gland, three types of question will be asked from you. What are those three types of questions in the thyroid gland which will be asked from you? The first question will be that what is the exact location of the thyroid gland. Exact location of the thyroid gland is located in front region of neck, just above the, you can see this one, larynx is there, so it is located just above the larynx. So this you have to write in the full sentence, that location of thyroid gland is in the front region of neck, just above the. Now we are moving with the structure of the thyroid gland, which you can see here. This is a butterfly shaped gland. As you can see here in this diagram, that this gland will be having a bilobed structure and consisting of certain follicles. You can write H shape also, but it's better to write the bilobed structure, which is joined in the center with the help of the isthmus. So this is the structure of the thyroid gland. Now structure we have discussed, location we have discussed. Now what type of, you can say, hormones it is secreting. So it actually secreted three hormones, T3, T4 and calcitonin, but T3 is not in your course. T3 is triiodothyronine, T4 is tetraiodothyronine, and calcitonin is the next hormone. So in your course only two hormones are there. So let's have a discussion on this, that what are these two hormones, how does it work in our body. Thyroid gland is one of the very important gland of our body because it regulates metabolism of everything, sugar, protein and fat. So here thyroxine, tetraiodothyronine, any name you can take here. Now, this hormone regulates BMR. You must have heard the word BMR, basal metabolic rate. So, it is controlled by the thyroxine hormone. This hormone is doing so many functions in our body, which you have to see, that it regulates the overall growth of the body by regulating the metabolism. It influences growth and metabolism, ossification of the bone, okay, and then it regulates body temperature as well as mental development. You must have heard that if a female has conceived, she is advised to take iodized salt, because this iodine is very important for proper functioning of thyroid gland, and if iodine will not be given to that female, her child may be having the mental retardation. Even in the embryonic condition this defect is developed, so it's very difficult to cure. That's why it's very important to keep high concentration of thyroxine, so most of the pregnant females are given these tablets during pregnancy. Now, if thyroxine level is coming down, there are some diseases we will discuss later on, then there will be low metabolism. Here, one point you can add. The positive point of the thyroxine is it regulate metabolism. This term you have to use. Metabolism. It regulates metabolism. That is very important. Here you can see if thyroxine concentration reduces in body, it causes low metabolism. There will be lethargic condition, body weight gain because metabolism is slow. Whatever you will eat, that will be accumulated in the body. Cold intolerance and mental dullness. So these and sluggish condition will also be there. So that kind of problem will be there if thyroxine level reduces down. Other than this, when we talk about calcitonin, calci means calcium. So you have to always remember that this regulate the calcium metabolism in body. So one word question you can get over here. Abnormalities with the thyroxine, like if there will be less secretion, or you can say hyposecretion, then it is causing hypothyroidism, as well as it is causing three diseases over here. You are getting over here A, B, and C. I'll be discussing the symptoms of this to you all. Like simple goiter, you must have heard about. Simple goiter is a condition which occurs due to hyposecretion or hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism means one thing is clear, less secretion of hormone is there, and this less secretion will be causing slow metabolism in the body. So if in this case there will be one point which is common, that is slow metabolism. So if slow metabolism is there, or you can say iodine deficiency is there in the body, this gland swells up and hang like a external tumor like a structure which is called as simple goiter. It can be corrected by surgery. Then cretinism is one of the condition which I have discussed with you all few minutes back. Like in children, it may cause the mental retardation, and this mental retardation is basically occurring during the embryonic condition if iodine is not given to the pregnant females. Myxedema is the third disease in which body will become sluggish. Obesity kind of condition will be there due to slow metabolism. So these are some of the symptoms of the hypothyroidism. When we see what are the consequences of the cretinism and myxedema, briefly it is given here. It may cause affect the height also, which is rare, but mental retardation is one of the most common problem. Then it will look sluggish. Sluggish means the face will swell up. Those females who are having thyroid issue or hypothyroidism, they will gain weight. Okay, you must have seen this problem. And then swelling of the limbs also, and they have pain in all over body. So these are the some of the problems of under secretion. If you will go with the over secretion is because of more thyroxine formation in the body, and this is more than the required condition. So hyperthyroidism, this means there will be more secretion of thyroxine in the body. It causes another problem which is called as exophthalmic goiter or Graves' disease. So in this case, due to more secretion of thyroxine, there will be very fast metabolism, very fast metabolism, and this fast metabolism is leading to the fast digestion, also fast utilization of nutrients in the body. So person keeps on feeling hungry, the person is eating a lot, but that will not be helping them to gain weight. Rather opposite thing is happening, their body weight is keep on reducing, as a result of which you can see they are having increased heartbeat, they are having high metabolic rate, they are having shortness of breath, and their eyes are actually protruding out. You can see the scaly skin is there and eyes are protruding out. In your book also one diagram is given for exophthalmic goiter that you can see. So that's all for thyroid gland. I have just covered major topics over here, and what question could be asked from you, that the abnormalities in the boards questions may be asked from the abnormalities due to thyroid gland, that what happens due to under secretion and what happens due to over secretion. You have to focus here. Then they will be asking you the location, as I told you, very important for the board point of view. What is the exact location of the thyroid gland? So these are two of the most important questions which may be asked from the thyroid gland. This is structure which you can see, it is the cross section of the thyroid gland where they are showing you the follicular cells, and these follicular cells are producing thyroxine. So that's all. Next we are moving with the uh, gonadotrophins in the last class. So see you again in the next class. Bye.